Hey guys, welcome back to How to Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your domain to Shopify store, right? So basically, right now you can see I'm in the dashboard of Shopify. And if I try to open my store, you can see that here it says that hto.myshopify.com. So this domain it shows, but I don't want this domain. I want my personal domain, right? My brand domain. So how I can connect my domain where people can go and visit, right? So basically here I have a domain. So let me show you what changes we can do so that you can connect your Shopify, you can connect your domain to Shopify store, right? So it's going to be very easy. Here you have to just click on online store, right? And here you'll get a lot of options. So here you can see, so basically guys, here you have to go on. So guys, if you don't get option of domain here, this is the very easiest way where you can find your domain, right? So basically the settings. So on the search bar, you can see on the search bar, which is on the top here, you have to do nothing. You have to just type the domain and here you'll get this option, right? So here we have to click on the domain, which is the first option, right? And if you're not able to get this domain option on the search bar too, there is another method which I will show you. Here in the bottom left side corner, you will see a lot of settings and option. Just go to the bottom here and click on the settings. Here you can just go to the domains here, right? So make sure you go to the domains and here it is, right? So here it will give us a two option, buy or connect a domain, right? So here, if you want to buy a new domain from the Shopify itself, you can click on the buy new domain and here you have to enter your domain. For example, I will just write here crazy store, right? This is the brand name, right? So here you can see that you want the .com or you want the .in, .net and whatever. So here it says that it is not available right now, but this one is available, right? crazystore.store, right? So this is the one way. So if you just click on the buy, okay, and here it will give the option, it will take you directly to the billing option and here you have to pay the payment, right? So there is one more option. What we can do here, basically we will just close this and let me show you through here. I will just go to the domain here and the another option which you can find, which is the connect existing domain. Connect existing domain, it means that you already have a domain, you have purchased it from a different website, a third-party website, and you want to just connect it, right? So for example, I'm in the GoDaddy, so there are so many ways where you can buy the domain. For example, if I just go to the Google here, right, and if I type here buy domain, right? Okay, the spelling is wrong, don't judge me. And here you will find a lot of options. So basically GoDaddy sells the domain, Hostinger sells the domain, and there's a Namecheap and Google domain, right? So Google also sells the domain. So what you have to do, you can just visit any of the website. All the websites are genuine. So I'll just go to the GoDaddy here and here I will search. For example, I want my brand name is this, right? And I want to buy this domain. So I will just write the brand name here. I will click on the search. We have to do the same thing what we did over the Shopify, right? So we have to do here and here you can see that closes.co.in, closes.co, closua.in, and there is a lot of option. You can buy any one of them. And here there are prices, right? So if you want to buy, here you have to click on the card button and after that it will add. So it is the same thing. Like for example, you just buy some product over the Amazon. Yeah, you can buy the domains over this website, right? So this website, you can say it's similar to Amazon who sells the domain. See here, I will just click on the continue here, right? And all the functions and all these steps are pretty similar to each and every website if you buy from a different website. So here it will give you many more features, right? For example, if you want a custom email address, you can do it. Or if you want a professional email, you can see a 10 GB storage and many more features. It will charge you this much of amount of money every month, or Microsoft 365 this much amount of every month, right? And here I don't want to do anything. I just want my domain, right? So I will just click on continue and it will take me to here. And basically it will say is that if I want for 5 years, or let's say if I want for just for 1 year, and this is the price and all that. So I will just click on I'm ready to pay, then I have to pay, then that's it, right? And it's pretty similar. So guys, I have already purchased this domain just to show you guys that how you can connect your Shopify store to your domain, right? And here for example, this is my domain. So what I will do, I will just copy and I'll just enter here, right? And I will just click on the, for example, yeah, I have to write here www.worldwideweb, and I will just click on the next, right? And here, if you this domain is already connected to Shopify, yes guys, it is connected, but I can connect it from here too, right? So for example, you can see that you will get the same option. It will say that verify domain ownership, and here it will say is that to connect your domain, create this following DNS record in your domain provider account setting, right? So what it says that we have to copy this, we have to copy this, we have to copy this code, and we have to copy this, right? So what we have to do, we have to click on verify connection, and here it says that domain ownership verification failed for the host. So what we have to do, it will not verify until and unless we just copy all this thing. So what we have to do, I will just click on copy, and this is copied, and I will just go to from the website which I have bought, and here on the left side I can see a lot of option. I will just go to the domain, and this is the only domain I have bought, and I will click on the manage DNS, right? And here it will take me to a new page, and this is completely new, so don't be scared, just follow me what I have done. You have to do the exactly same thing. You will just go to the DNS, right? On the top there is a lot of options. You have to just go to the DNS, and you have to click on manage zones, right? And here right now I have only one domain, so it will show me only one domain option, so I will just click on this domain, right? So here it says that DNS record. So what we have to do, we have to change here something. So for example, it says that we have to change the CNAME. So we will find a CNAME here. So here you will get a lot of option of CNAME. So don't be scared. You have to just change the CNAME of the first, and here you will get this edit option. So for example, right now I'm not able to edit. So guys, I'm not able to change here, but in your case it will not happen because I've already added to a different website, that's why. So what you have to do, we have to change the CNAME here. So you can the CNAME, you will find a 3 or 4, so don't be don't get confused. You have to change the first. So here we have to copy and paste here. If you click on the edit button here, you have to paste this thing, right? That is shops.myshopify.com. You have to copy and paste it here, right? And after that we will just go back here, and here you can see a record, and we will copy this code. Okay, so here we will find a record, and this is the a record, right? And here we have to click on the edit, and we have to paste it over here, right? And it will say is parked. And what we have to do, the next thing, you can see txt record, we have to copy this, right? So here we will find txt record, and here you can see that we have to just edit the first one. So here it says that txt, and here you have to again click on the edit button which is here, and after that you have to copy and paste it. You can see, right? This all you have to just click on copy, and you have to paste it over here, and after that you have to click on the add, and that's it. So it will get completely changed. And after that guys, after copy pasting all of this stuff, you have to click on verify connection. It will load for very few seconds, and here you will get a notification that domain ownership verification passed. Okay, successful. In my case it is not, because I've already connected to a different website, that's why. So this is pretty easy. This is the only thing you have to do, and you don't have to do all these stuffs which if you have purchased the domain itself from the Shopify, right? So here if you just click on buy a new domain, and if you buy from here, you can just easily do it. It is very easy, right? It will not ask you any of the stuffs if you just which I've shown you earlier, right? So this is pretty easy guys. I hope you found this video really useful. And after that, the main thing, if you just go to the domain, for example my domain is www.closes.com, and if I just hit the enter, I will able to see my website. Right now it's not connected, that's why. Otherwise you don't, this is the only domain. In your case it can be something else, right? So it's pretty easy. So this is it guys, and if you found this video really helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.